Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football. Conditions are absolutely splendid and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. It does have a distinctive feel. And that gets things running. Robinson. Aarons. Cuts it out. Russell. Bailey. And the counter is on. Ball's out on the left now. Too much on it and out of play. Pulisic. McKennie. He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. He's in! He's gone for it! Straight at the keeper. Reed. Antonio.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And Antonio! A real chance and a real let-off.
I think he deserves credit for getting something away, given that he had to contend with a double dose of closing down.
Gets it upfield. Done very well to intervene. Morrison with a long pass. And the shot! And he's done it!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
After 22 minutes is Antonio.
Aarons. Determined running there, but one back by the defence.
Oh look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't.
Hit into the middle. It's a corner. And that has been cleared. Oh, shooting chance! Where? Plays it back. McKennie. And he's there to hoof it away. Where the United States are trailing here with the first half almost done. Back in once more. Cleared away. Bell. Nice touch. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Goes for the cross. And that has been cleared. And it's been taken straight back. relief, it just needed better contact. Robinson. McKennie. And the flag has stayed down. Pulisic. Up to meet it. Goal! The United States are back on level terms.
The United States are so well practiced in the art of keeping the ball through wonderful passing and movement, and a real appetite to ensure it's reflected in their goal count.
United States, after 44 minutes, is number 16.
Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
It's Antonio. Aimed in towards the centre. It's a clearance, but not much of one. Russell. Gorgeous control there. So who's he picking out? Morrison. Antonio. He's had a shot! Really well taken goal. And they're back in front. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement. The United States don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first if they don't grab an early goal in this second half. They can't hold back though.
Looking for a decent ball in. Deep cross. Great leap! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed. Turns and goes back. Tries a shot! It's in! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
After 54 minutes is number 7.
McKennie. Robinson. McKennie. Robinson tries to get it forward quickly. Pulisic. Keeps everyone guessing. That is good defending. It's been repelled. Reed. Out to the right. Could move up a gear here. Nicholson conjuring up some magic on the right-hand side. Whistle's gone, that's foul. And he is going into that little black book. Zimmerman is there to heave it away. Bailey goes for goal! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it. Bailey. Oh, it's Antonio. Morrison! Oh, real chance! Up to meet it! And yes, it's there! What a great header, got plenty on that.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that play.
That's how you make an impact as a sub. You know, when most are tiring, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, they've given themselves a chance here, but now it's a case of getting the balance right between attack and defence, and that's not easy.
And the weighted pass, receives it in a good position. Has a goal! Should have put that one away.
Antonio really did let them off the hook. They could have wrapped it all up.
And they've been caught. There's a pop! In it goes! They've done it again! It is incredible!
United States, after 84 minutes, is number 24.
McKennie. Robinson goes looking. Ruth. Nicholson. Now it's Antonio. Nicely measured. Bailey! Oh, it's in! And that has raised the roof!
Oh, the invitation was received with such a clever run, and he had that defence in utter confusion.
He is the man.
Number 7.
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
Pepe. Looks to dink one in. And help's available out wide. Oh, nice touch. Here's the chance to cross. Only partially clear. Williams. And that is it. The United States huffed and puffed, but in the end, no joy. That's the game. The result is what matters, and this result is cruel.